always get what I want. My life is perfect, and I am the protagonist of my reality. Things will always work out perfectly for me if I am the protagonist of my reality, and things always work out for me. No matter how I'm feeling right now, my life is, and I'm always perfect. Manifesting the perfect life always works for me no matter how I'm feeling any given moment. Every time I drink water, my life gets even more amazing. Every time I breathe, my life gets even more amazing. Every single time I think, my life gets even more amazing. Every situation will always result in the best for me no matter what feelings I expect. Everything will work out for me. It has no choice because I say so, and I'm the boss of my reality. My life is perfect, and only good things happen to me. Even on things seem difficult, they will always work out for the best. I am the boss of my reality. I am writing my story, and what I say goes. Everything, all events in my life are conspiring to get me to my best possible life. Everything is always working out for my greater good. I know I am the protagonist of my reality. My belief that I am the protagonist of my reality is rock solid. Every time I drink water, my self-belief grows stronger. Every single time I breathe, my self-belief grows stronger. Every single time I blink, my self-belief grows stronger. My life is perfect, and I got this. My life is perfect, and I manifest everything effortlessly. Manifesting always works for me. I manifest the things I want, no matter what. My life is perfect, and I'm always safe.